With traffic in EDSA wiped out because of the lockdown, MMDA's traffic czar Edison Bong Nebrija apparently has more time to be active on social media. He posted the food he eats while on duty. The retired Navy officer also showed some TikTok videos. He joked about being bribed with his favorite merienda, butter toast.
Pambihira yung nasita namin sa EDSA na SUV. Biruin ba naman yung driver nakikiusap na kung pwede raw, pagbigyan na lang namin siya, huwag na namin siya tikitan, at bibigyan niya na lang daw kami ng butter toast. Ano akala niya sa amin? Basta-basta nasusuhulan? Hindi ah.
But what can be found distracting in his kit is the watch he's wearing. It's a Rolex Submariner which cost nearly $500,000 pesos. His taste in watches doesn't jive with his image of being a man with simple tastes and one who eats relief goods.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.